Sharing the burden of others in a quiet countryside town in England, there lived a humble gardener named Oliver. He was known for his calm demeanor and simple life. Every morning, he would tend to his flowers and vegetables, and every evening he would sit on his porch, watching the sunset with a cup of tea in hand. Life for Oliver was peaceful, but also a little detached. While he was kind and polite, he had always kept a distance from other people's troubles. Let everyone handle their own lives, he often thought. One day, the village council announced a community meeting. Curiosity nudged Oliver to attend. The town hall buzzed with whispers and worried faces. As everyone settled, the local pastor, Mr. Bennett, stood up and spoke solemnly. "Friends," he began, "Emma Thompson, who lives by the edge of town, is going through a very hard time. Her husband, Mark, has fallen gravely ill and the treatment costs are beyond their means. She's trying to stay strong, but she's struggling." A hush fell over the room. Oliver looked around, feeling something stir in his chest. He had seen Emma a few times, always cheerful, always helping out during village fairs, but never imagined she could be facing such pain. After the meeting, Oliver couldn't shake the image of Emma sitting alone in her house, holding her husband's hand, worrying about how to save him. That night, he didn't sleep well. The thought kept returning: what good is my quiet life if I close my heart to others' suffering? The next morning, Oliver walked to Emma's cottage. She opened the door, surprised to see him. Her eyes were tired, her smile weak. "I heard about Mark," Oliver said gently. "I don't know how much I can do, but I want to help. Financially, emotionally, however I can." Tears welled in Emma's eyes. "Thank you, Oliver. Just knowing someone cares makes it all a bit more bearable." Over the next weeks, Oliver became a steady presence in Emma's life. He organized a fundraiser in the village, encouraged local businesses to donate, and even sold some of his cherished gardening tools to contribute more. But more than the money, it was his time and compassion that meant the most. People in the village noticed. They began to follow Oliver's example. Meals were cooked, letters were written, prayers were said. Emma and Mark were no longer alone. The whole village, united by one man's small but powerful gesture, became a family. Months later, even though Mark's health remained fragile, the Thompsons found new strength in the love surrounding them. And Oliver, who once lived quietly and alone, became the heart of a village that now understood the value of sharing not only joys, but sorrows too. Moral: in a world that often teaches us to mind our own business, true humanity lies in opening our hearts to the burdens of others. One act of kindness can spark a wave of compassion, reminding us that we are never truly alone.